everyone, today I finally have a chance to open this fan. The reason it was delay, I just was busy working and received this about 4 months ago and just have a chance to install. What I did in my home, I removed all the fan and I'm installed the lights everywhere, like those ones right there and those ones right there. And everywhere in home I remove the fans. So this is go into another room. It's gone right here where I currently have only wires. So for this installation we just need like general box like this. And let's go ahead and open and see what we have. This fan is provided by a company called Lumary. The light is over here inside this LED is 35 watt. 2800 lumens and 16 watt 6-speed fan. The color changed of 18-inch fan with a color change. Here's all the options this fan is provide. It has a timing, a remote control, apps you can use, forward, reverse, back and forth, music, syncing, cool and warm, dimming. This is barcode number and CCID, Lumary.com. Let's go ahead and open this unit and install it. Okay, in box you'll find remote control itself with probably 2 or no battery. So the batteries are not provided, so make sure you buy battery prior arrival. There's wall mountains and or ceiling mountains and cable connector clumps and installation instruction and manual probably. Okay, let's get this thing open. Looks like it's very simple. Oh, I like the color of the fan. It's clear. It's probably for the transparency of LED. The fan is not really heavy. It's approximately, I would say, 10, maybe 15 pounds, I would say. Maybe, I don't know what's in kilograms, but I can lift it with one hand. It's about same size other fans are. The fan is assembled. Couple little bolts holding this in place. So I'm assume this piece is connects with this piece, and this has a cable. There's wires here inside. This is the smart ceiling balance. I don't see the ground cable. Maybe this is the ground cable. Yep, it has a wire on it already. Okay, that's interesting. I gotta disconnect this probably first. So this one have to be connected to here, mounted into the ceiling, and then it's pretty simple. You just twist it. You grab the ceiling and you twist it and have a couple lock nuts to lock it in place. Let's go ahead and install this. So I placed this back into position like this, and we're going to screw this back because that's probably supposed to be on it all the time. Usually this case go over the top to the case, but then there's nothing else gonna hold it through this. We got this large screws and mounts, but they go to ceiling probably from the bottom of this place like here. we do have a box. We're going to have this as flush with the ceiling, which is totally perfect. Not going like this. We installed this plate on this side, but this is going to be perfect. This will help to hold the whole thing. And there is of course, there's the installation and the washers too. I'm gonna open this really quick. Got all the mountain long ones and the short ones. So there's variety of the bolts and nuts to complete this transaction. So we make sure the no power into this thing right here. So turn on switch light. Gotta shut it off. And there you go, it's off. Make sure it's always on. You have no power. In my case, I will need to find to hide them in a box right here. So I have to install this after I install the wires. So I have to hold the fan in another hand. Then mount this because I don't think I have enough space to work inside here, but I might do. So we connect the ground through this plate like this, and now we're gonna fasten this to the ceiling with these two large screws. It's very simple. So I've got this pretty much tied to the ceiling and got two wires over here. Green is already connected. So we're gonna work with these two right now. That's basically before installation. It's going like this. So we got free hands, so we can use we're going to use this cable right here to hold the lights in place, so we can work with two hands installing these two wires. Somebody else calls, so black go to black, hot, and the white go to white. I was able to push both wires inside, so they are not on my way. And now we're going to find how this is locked in. Supposed to be, let's see, gotta look for those spots to lock it in. Something like this. So it was pretty easy to spin. It's a lot of space to align, and this has a little bit of screw set hole. There are a couple of those, so I'm gonna use it. One right here to prevent case to spin out. There's one on each side. It was hard to reach out. So I got only one, and that should be enough. That's it. It took me what? A few minutes to install. And let's see if it's run. Wow, nice. I'm gonna change the battery and install everything. Let's see how it's work. Got this light over here. It's a workshop light. Okay, now it's better. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Hold on. Okay, got it. A remote control. Nice. This is a run off the power supply. Okay. Turn off, it doesn't want to come on. How you can come on things? Okay, I have no idea. I need to read the instruction. Okay, you turn off, you turn on this thing. I have to read the instruction how this thing is work. But anyway, let's see if his fans work. Oh, there you go. He's running. Wow. Fast speed and very silent. Interesting. And let's see what else it does. Change the colors maybe. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the fastest speed. You can hear. And let's do the light. I don't know how lights work. That's probably, I gotta read it all. Oh, there you go. Wow, it's pretty bright. Let's make this room very bright. Let's see. So that's basically light right here. And LED change is it's a timer over here. Timer. I know this thing is changing. Oh, there you go. This thing has become yellow or bright. The main light. Let's see. This is. That's hold. Oh, that's reversible. This is go another way. This is reversible. And which way does that go? 6. This one is go to the top, so it's blowing air to the top. Very interesting. So when you press this button right here, like it stops. Completely stops. And there starts spinning all the way around. Yep. At the speed 6. Oh, this is like, this is a really big blowout. This is a fast speed. That's pretty nice. Okay. Oh, this is come and go. That's a version of the different kinds. Okay, let's shut the fan off. And now we're going to turn to number 6. So it's actually spinning the other way around. When you spin this way. Let's see. Nope, it's the wrong way. Spinning one way, and now it's spinning another way. So it gives like 5 seconds delay, and I start going another way around. Put number 6. Very nice. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very fast one. And now this button right here on the side is an internal light, so you can turn on and or off. Let's see how you change the colors. Sometimes it's easier just to read manual, but I like to try it. Oh, there you go. There you go. You start changing this thing. Let's turn this one off. And this button right here, changing the colors. Wow, it's amazing. This one nice. All right, so thanks everyone for watching this. There's something else I probably missing. Nope, it holds well. I definitely recommend. Amazing. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Link for the shop is in description.